Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and others as well. There have been an allegation saying that how the agencies are getting used against the opposition as such. Sir, how do you see today's development as such?
I think, well, first and foremost, congratulations to Arvind Kejriwal Sahab and Manish Sisodia Sahab. They always they were steadfast in claiming that they were innocent and that this was a political case. The voters of Delhi, to a very large extent, punished Aam Aadmi Party because of the perception that was created around Mr. Kejriwal and Mr. Sisodia. The fact that the courts have exonerated them would tell you that I think it's very important, and I think this is something that the media needs to take on board. There has to be a presumption of innocence. Unfortunately, more often than not, we are now inclined to presume guilt. You automatically assume that all politicians who have allegations against them are guilty and they must prove their innocence. Whereas it is the reverse that is true. You have to presume the innocence and the agencies must prove guilt, which in this case they weren't able to do.
Sir, since you're in Hubli, what's on your